Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks. Today we have my dream daily driver behind us that we are doing virtually everything to. This guy is doing a stealth film job, so we're doing that with STEK's film. We're doing the matte paint protection film from front to back, all the painted surfaces. We're going to be doing gloss film on all the little black bits to protect those, and he's also doing full ceramic coating. So we're ceramic coating all of the PPF. I'm going to be doing all of the glass. I'm going to be taking the wheels off, doing the entirety of the wheel, the major brake calipers that they got. He's also doing full ceramic tints. Virtually, if we do it, he's going to be getting it, which is pretty sweet because this is by far one of my favorite cars, so it's very exciting. So yeah, the car has already been prepped. What we're going to be doing next is I'm going to be disassembling the door cards, which will allow me to get off the handles. We need to take the mirrors off, taking the badges off the back. So we just got a bunch of disassembly, which is going to be today, and then we're going to go ahead and get plotting on all of our PPF and get started on that end. All right guys, so we have our RS6 fully wrapped. Everything is done bumper to bumper with our stealth film. Next step is we're going to be doing all the ceramic coating. So we're doing all the PPF with skin. I'm going to be doing the wheels, the brake calipers with Seacort's Finest Reserve. The windows have already been tinted, so that is all said and done with the ceramic tint from GeoShield. And I believe after that, it's just little touch-ups, dressing it up and getting it ready to go. There you have it guys, we've got our fully wrapped Audi RS6 Avant done in STEK stealth film. We've topped it off with skin. It's got GeoShield ceramic tints all the way around. Took the wheels off, those have Finest Reserve as well as the brake calipers. Virtually everything that you can do to this car that we can do has been done. That way it is now protected for years to come. It went through a complete transformation from gloss to stealth, which looks absolutely amazing on this paint color, giving it like that sleek look that it definitely deserves, and we'll see how the customer likes it.